Is this you? Your bathroom remodel costs more than expected, yet you're still unhappy with the results. We analyzed 2,000 real Reddit discussions to find out why. Here are the 5 most common mistakes you need to know. Mistake number 1, picking tile based on looks alone. Color isn't the issue. Slip resistance, stained grout, and difficult cleaning are. Check the slip rating and look for real-life photos after a year of use, not just showroom displays. Mistake number 2, not budgeting for the unexpected. Most bathroom remodels go over budget, not because of poor planning, but because hidden problems show up once the walls come down. Set aside an extra 15 to 20% before you start. Mistake number 3, rushing waterproofing. The renovation order is planned to demo, to plumbing, to waterproof, to tile, to install, to finish. Since waterproofing is hidden under the tile, it's often rushed. Don't cut corners here. Mistake number 4, getting measurements wrong. Custom items like tubs, shower doors, and vanities leave little room for mistakes. Double check your measurements and have your installer confirm before you order. Mistake number 5, choosing the mirror last. The mirror isn't just a finishing touch. It changes how your entire vanity area looks and feels. Your vanity, mirror, and lighting should work together. We'll show you how in the next 2 episodes. Jose are 5 common bathroom remodel mistakes to avoid. Next episode, we're covering old house bathroom renovations, where even more problems can appear. Follow for more.